Google Gemini just made creating sketchnotes ridiculously easy. I generated these visuals in under a minute, and in this video I'm going to show you how. First, head over to Gemini. Make sure thinking mode is activated. This gives the AI the reasoning power it needs to explain concepts properly. Next, ask Gemini to explain the concept you want to visualize. You want the explanation to be clear and fluff-free. It is super important to define your target audience. Is it a 5-year-old student or a PhD one? This controls the complexity. Okay, we've got our explanation. Now, in the same conversation, run this second prompt. This is the magic step that will transform that plain text into the actual sketchnote. But before you click run, you must activate the create images option. Give it a couple of seconds to process the request. And there you have it. Looks awesome, right? You can find the prompt in the pinned comment below. If you're happy with the final outcome, you can download your creation by clicking this button over here. The best part, you can feed it a 20-page PDF or a YouTube video and turn them into sketchnotes as well. Here is what you need to do. For instance, let's run the first prompt and ask it to summarize this video. Now we must run the second prompt to turn the summary into a sketchnote. Pretty cool, right? If you want to master Google Gemini and use it better than 90% of people out there, check the video shown on your screen. Till the next time, see you!